welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be installing a wig from Hurela-Hair. The wig that I received is a 5x5 HD straight closure wig. For this install, I won't be using any glue at all. The only glue that was used for this install was Got to Be Glued Free Spray. I used that to glue the cap on my client's head. After I placed the bowl cap on, I used the makeup closest to her skin complexion and placed it across the cap. When you're finished cutting off the cap, make sure that you clean your client's hairline from all the glue that was left over. When the wig is placed exactly how you want it on your client's head, you can then cut the lace off. There will be no need to make a dotted line for this install because we won't be using any adhesive. The lace is super thin and the makeup matches my client's skin complexion perfectly, so you can't even see where I cut the lace off after it's been cut. I'll be using my Got to Be Glued gel and Cream of Nature mousse and doing 3 baby hairs on this closure. When you're styling your baby hairs for a glueless install, you want to make sure that you're very light-handed so that the baby hairs don't slide under the lace. Now I'm just running the flat iron through the wig to have the wig bone straight. Keep in mind, for this install there was no adhesive or holding spray used, and the wig still came out super melted. I use the wax stick after hot combing to keep all the little fine hairs molded in place. Using an angled brush and the makeup closest to your client's skin complexion, you're going to outline the part. This is the finished look of this Glueless install. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look, and thank you guys so much for watching.